Hello, today I want to do another venture of cooking with the air fryer, and this time I got some day-old chicken. And so let's just put a couple pieces of chicken in there, into the air fryer. So here I go, there's a piece of chicken into the air fryer. Do one more small piece. Okay, and we'll put it in here. And do the same thing. I usually put everything on 400, just to make it good. And we'll put it for, let's say 7 minutes. See how that works. Okay, I can smell it. It's already getting close to being done. It's like 2 minutes left, so I'm gonna take it out. I threw a biscuit of like a minute in there as well. So here we go, look at that. Oh, look at that. All right. So let's take this chicken out and see how it tastes. And these tongs really help out a great deal also. All right, it seems pretty hot. Woo! Mmm. Mmm. It's just like when I got it from the store. So, once again, the air fryer does not disappoint. Let me try a little bit of that biscuit I put in there for like a minute. Mmm. That might even be a little bit better because it's a little bit toasted on top. So, once again, A+ on using the air fryer with day-old fried chicken. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that will totally compute. And go check out my other YouTube channel, 70s Dude. Go to www.70sdude.com. I got this mustache and I look like a 70s dude. I'm going to give you great advice, life advice as well. So, yeah. Gobble, gobble, y'all. This is great. Woo! This is hot. Computer.